Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather and this is Food Lovin' Family. Now I love my air fryer. This is no secret in my family. I use it quite a bit. Well, today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite super easy recipes. It's how to make a rotisserie style chicken in your air fryer. I used to buy rotisserie chickens quite a bit. They're so easy. You can shred up the chicken and use them for a bunch of different things, but you can make it super easy in your air fryer. It takes about an hour. All you need is a small chicken, a few spices, a little bit of oil, and you're good to go. So please enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions about this recipe in the comments, and if there are any other kind of recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
We are going to start by making the spice rub for the chicken. This is coarse salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Next, we're going to add Italian seasoning, paprika, and some ground black pepper. I'm going to give it a good stir and then add in some brown sugar. Now we're ready for the chicken. I used a 4-pound chicken and I rinsed it off and then patted it dry. And now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. You could also use coconut oil or ghee. Make sure to rub it all over the chicken. This will help the chicken get that nice crispy skin. Next, we want to add our spice rub. So sprinkle it all over the chicken, and then once it's on there, really kind of rub it in. Again, all over the chicken, top, bottom, even inside the chicken. You can also lift up the skin and put it underneath the skin if you like a more flavorful chicken. We're going to spray our air fryer basket with non-stick cooking spray, and then place the chicken right in the basket, and you want to make sure it's breast side down. I'm going to set my air fryer temperature to 360 for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, then flip over your chicken and cook it again at 360 for 30 minutes. Once that's done, you want to make sure the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees. So you can tell here I need to cook it just a little bit longer. Once you've reached 165 degrees, you can remove the chicken and let it rest for a few minutes, and then it's ready to serve. I like to serve it just like this with a few sides or shred up the chicken to use for other recipes. Enjoy!